My first week at SAE was the best experience ever. I met here my dream community and also the lecturers. All of them were super friendly and provided us the information that we had to know for our future careers.
That was really fun. We've been in the studios where we'll be working. In the first week, I already made new friends, and I'm really happy to be at SAE.
My first week was amazing. I really loved and enjoyed meeting so many people. All the other students are so much fun and great to hang out with. The lecturers are amazing and they're so engaging and they're really helpful to me.
My first week was amazing. I met everyone here and they're all very fun. They're very helpful and the environment here is very very wow, you know?
Hi, my name is Rashid, and as a game student, the faculty is very inclusive at SAE, and everyone at SAE is very friendly, which I truly like. There's extracurricular activities such as football and basketball at SAE, which is lovely. The equipment for games, it's pretty intense. Yeah, it's actually like fun to use and you will love it. And SAE always has my back.